We are here today with Eleanor and Talia, and they are going to go over saddle parts with us today.
Right here is the gullet.
The front of the saddle is the pommel.
Right here is the seat.
Back of the saddle is the cantle.
This is the skirt.
This is the D-ring,
Right here is the stirrup bar.
which is in the open position. This is the leathers and the stirrup irons.
Right here, this flap is the saddle flap.
Right here is the keeper.
This is the billet or buckle guard.
And the billets.
Right here. Right here is the sweat flap and the knee roll. Here's the gullet again. Here is the front panels and the back panels.
And the frame of the saddle is called the tree.